Hello CIS scholars. Welcome you all. Today we are going to do let us practice exercise, but before that we will revise it. We have studied about flat shapes. The first one is square, triangle, rectangle, circle, right? Now let's move to the next slide. After flat shapes, we have studied about solid shapes. This is a book. The shape is cuboid. Ice cream cone. The shape is of cone. This is a football. The shape is spear. This is a cell. The shape is of cylinder. This is a dice. The shape is cube. Right? We have studied flat shapes. We have studied solid shape. After that, we have studied about patterns. Right? So we have to observe the pattern carefully. The pattern can be in shapes, alphabets, numbers. Right? So let us see. Pattern. This is a triangle shape. So if you look at this, it is in red, then green, blue. Again red, green, blue. So this is a pattern. This is a pattern in a shape. Right? Now, pattern as alphabet. A, B, C. A, B, C. Again it will be repeated. A, B, C. It's a pattern. Pattern as numbers also can be done. 1, 2, 3. Again it will be 1, 2, 3. Again I'll repeat it. 1, 2, 3. It's a pattern. I'm following one type of a pattern. Look at this slide. Let's practice page number 83. Match the shapes to the correct names. So we have to match these shapes with the correct names. So let's see the first one. If you look at this shape, it is cylinder. So we will match it with the cylinder. Now look at this. This is the shape of a cone. Look at the third one. This is the shape of a cuboid. Look at the fourth shape. This is the shape of a spear, right? See? Yes? Okay. Now, look at this. This is the shape of a cube. So, teacher has marked it, right? So, I have matched each shape with their correct names. Now, let's move to the next question. Continue the patterns below. If you look this pattern, the first one is the shape of a circle. And this is the shape of a rectangle. So, which shape will be here after rectangle? Circle and again rectangle. Okay. And it should be colored also because teacher has done it. Okay. I have colored in yellow and this is in blue. Now, if you look at this pink color figure, the shape is of hexagon. This shape is known as hexagon. Okay. So, here the first will be hexagon, right? And it is in pink color. And then the other shape. So, if you see here, we have followed the pattern, right? And the last one, if you see here, the two lines are standing and two lines are sleeping. Then standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping. So next will be, we have to do it Yeah, that is standing and then sleeping, right? Okay. Now, we have finished our question number 1 and 2. We will move to the question number 3. Take the object that can roll. If you look at the first object, it's a ball. Yes, it can roll. The second object cannot roll. The third, no. But the fourth, yes, it can roll. Right? So we have to put the tick mark under the objects that can roll. Now look at the question number 4. Take the objects that can be stacked. If you look the first object, it cannot be stacked. The second one, yes. So we will put a tick mark under it. See the third one? No. And the fourth one? Yes, it can be stacked. So we have put the tick mark, okay, under the object that can be stacked. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.